I thought this guy was just relaxing on a hammock, but then I zoomed out and oh my god. There's a festival in the Italian Alps where slackers congregate and push their limits for the adventure of a lifetime. You might wonder what a slacker is. A slacker is someone who enjoys slacklining. Slacklining is much like tightrope walking, but the rope is actually a flat band with slack in it. That means that it can sway side to side and bounce as well. These slackers set up this festival, which is hundreds of feet in the air, and do all sorts of normal things you'd see at a regular festival. The risk is slightly higher than a regular festival, but they do take safety precautions. Check these guys out. They have no fear and one crazy hobby. This is the International Highline Meeting Festival. At the festival, you can expect to see a kitchen, a bar, music jam sessions, and tandem paragliding. It's a place for these slackers to congregate and advance their skills, as well as have a great time relaxing hundreds of feet in the air. These adventurers spend the weekend with their friends, practicing their hobbies and enjoying the views. I'm not entirely sure I'd be comfortable having a beer at a bar suspended hundreds of feet above jagged rocks with only a small rope or slackline to keep me from certain death. They all do take proper safety precautions by wearing harnesses anchored to the main safety lines spanning the cliffs. It has to be the thrill of a lifetime, and can you imagine what those views would look like in person? I don't think using the bathroom is an easy task to accomplish. I imagine the words "hold it" are said frequently throughout the day. Definitely not surprised to see some dreadlocks hanging out of a hammock at this festival. That view is as terrifying as it is gorgeous. No way would I have the guts to hang out on a hammock above that canyon. Slacklining is similar to tightrope walking. However, slackers can perform certain tricks and have more give in the rope itself, allowing for swaying and bouncing on the line. Just a couple of adventurers hanging out. Pun completely intended. Here's a slacker practicing hundreds of feet in the air, thankfully with a safety strap attached to his harness. These people sure seem comfortable in these hammocks and are confident in their equipment. Hammocks of all sizes showed out at the International Highline Meeting Festival in the Italian Alps of Monte Piana. They attended yoga classes, had a bar, events, a kitchen, and musical jam sessions and performances. All of this while suspended hundreds of feet above the ground, immersed in nature and surrounded by one spectacular view of the giant mountains. This isn't a festival for the faint of heart. This is a gathering of people who have no fear of heights and a love for adventure and pushing their boundaries. It looks like an amazing time, but I would be terrified.